Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a closer look at this Supra Ram 500 RX and Amiga 500 Plus RAM expansion that was popular back then, in Denmark at least. I have seen many users buying these memory expansions back then for their Amiga 500s. These were pretty common, and I have maybe a handful of them, and I really like the design. They just work. I never had any problem with them. And let's take a quick look at the box. As you can see, fast RAM expansion for Amiga 500 computers. This is how it looks. Supra Ram RX 500. As you can see here, you could back then buy it with 512K of RAM expansion, 1 megabyte, 2 megabyte, 4 and 8 megabyte of fast RAM. Must have been crazy. I had 1 megabyte fast RAM expansion on my Amiga 600 back then, which was great. As you can see, you can use 256K, 4 of them zip DRAM. I think it's also, as you can see, 1 megabyte 4 zip DRAM. It's the same RAM thingies that we also use for the fast RAM on the Amiga 3000. We got an on and off switch. I don't know what that little thing down there does, but this is the box, guys. As you can see, this one says that it's got 2 megabyte of RAM expansion. Yeah, we got manual and stuff like that, foam and stuff like that inside the box. So this is how it looks when it's attached to the Amiga 500. As you can see, I'm testing. I'm testing this one because it's coming up for sale. As I said earlier, this Amiga 500 Plus is coming up for sale soon. So I'm gonna make a box with a boxed Amiga 500 Plus and boxed this RAM expansion, boxed joystick, boxed mouse. I don't collect boxes, but in this community there are a lot of collectors that just love these boxes for these computers, and they don't do nothing for me, so I just want to sell it and make the next guy happy. We got alpha data mouse, and this mouse was one of my favorite mouses from back then. Still, I love using these. Great mouse for the Amiga. I love the buttons and on that. Amazing mouse. So let's just take a look inside how this one works. As you can see, this one has the Amiga 500 Plus. It has got built-in 1 megabyte of chip RAM, and I don't like doing this when the power's on, but no. I have installed 512 kilobytes of memory expansion in here, and the Amiga 500 Plus detects that expansion as chip RAM. That's why I love the Amiga 500 Plus version against the normal Amiga 500. I mean, this one, when it came out back then, it was a turd. I mean, it had Kickstart 2.0, which is great. I love the newer looks of the operating system, but it had trouble playing the old Amiga 500 games. We should put in a Kickstart disk so we could downgrade to 1.3, load that first, and then we could play our games. And so it had some trouble with that Kickstart. So yeah, it wasn't that popular. It wasn't on sale for that long. I mean, after, I think this one was on the market for about 6 months or something like that. Then the Amiga 600 hit the market. This little beast down there. with the same CPU. Actually, it also has the 68,000 CPU, and it also came with the Kickstart 2. Oh, this is an O10. It also came with Kickstart 2.0, my first Amiga, and that one also had trouble loading all the old, some of the old games. But yeah, well, it's not about that. This video is about this one, the Supra Ram 500 RX. This one has built-in 2 MB of fast RAM. So as you can see up here, it has detected the 1.5 MB chip RAM built in the Amiga 500 Plus, and the 2 MB of chip RAM. We got total 3.5, which is great for this system. I'm using this with normal discs, and this Amiga 500 Plus has served me so well. Well, these can be daisy chained. As you can see, you can just unscrew these 2 screws and open up the side here, which can daisy chain, and you can install some more stuff. If we open one of these Supra Rams, awesome name, as you can see, it has got 4 RAM chips installed, and this one is also a 2 MB expansion, RX 500 Supra Ram from 1991. This is how they look, and they can be upgraded up to 8 MB of RAM. And this side, I mean, looks pretty clean, looks great, guys. And the back side, as I said earlier, I don't know what that hole in the bottom is for, but on the top it's an on-off switch. Yeah, so this is how it looks on the inside, and this is the case for it. Yeah. I just want to show this guys. I as I said on other videos, I wanna document them. I have I'm getting some mails from you guys saying, dude, it's crazy, you're just pumping out these videos. Normal big YouTube channel, nothing like my channel, but normal channels, it takes, I mean, once a week or once every second week or every 10 days or not, I don't know, but I'm getting mails from you guys saying that you love this storytelling, continuing videos where I talk about what I did a couple of days ago and all that. And if you guys like that, I will keep on doing it this way. I mean, I don't make those $1 million productions. I don't have all the equipment. I have a simple editing program and all that, but I have a lot of passion and love for this old retro computers, and last year I bought so much, and I want to share it. I want to document it. I want to show everything to you guys because I love this stuff. And if you do, then just join me. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to our Facebook page. Opened it for a couple of months ago. Over 200 new members. It's great. We're having some fun buy and sell discussions, showing game rooms, not only for Amiga, also Commodore 64, also old MS-DOS PCs and all that. Come in and join the Facebook page. We're having a blast, guys. So this is a little video about the Supra Ram 500 RX, and it's still getting tested. Alright guys, until next time, upgrade your Amiga 500 Pluses because they just deserve it. Have a nice day. Bye.